In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and remove subscribers in Klaviyo. Managing your email lists effectively is crucial for maintaining engagement and ensuring your marketing efforts are hitting the right audiences. Removing unwanted subscribers can also help improve your email deliverability and open rates. So let's dive into how you can do just that in Klaviyo. First, you'll want to navigate to the main interface of Klaviyo. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. You'll find an option labeled Audience, and this is your starting point. Just give it a click, and a few more options will appear before you. Among these, look for Lists and Segments. This is where all your contact lists live, whether they're specific segments you've created for targeted campaigns or general lists you've compiled over time. Now, with your lists and segments in view, you need to select the specific list or segment that contains the subscriber or subscribers you want to remove. This could be your main mailing list or a specialized segment, depending on how you've organized your audience. Clicking on the list or segment will open up the details of the list, showing you all the subscribers contained within it. This is where you can manage individual subscribers more thoroughly. Once you've found the subscriber you intend to remove, you'll notice a small three-dot icon situated somewhere in their row. This icon is the gateway to several management options for that particular subscriber. By clicking on this icon, a small menu will drop down. It's here that you need to find the Remove option. Selecting this will prompt Klaviyo to remove the subscriber from the list, effectively cleaning up your contact base. It's worth noting that by removing subscribers, you ensure that those no longer interested or engaged with your content won't continue to receive emails they might not appreciate. This keeps your list healthy and your audience genuinely interested. And just like that, you've managed to remove a subscriber from your list in Klaviyo. It's a straightforward process, but one of significant importance to maintain the accuracy and effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Remember that routinely cleaning your subscriber lists can lead to better engagement rates and more successful email campaigns. With a cleaner list, you can focus more on crafting messages that resonate with those most likely to engage with your content. I hope this step-by-step guide proves helpful in keeping your Klaviyo lists as effective and efficient as possible. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or need further assistance with Klaviyo or other email marketing tools, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy emailing!